Alright, I finally got done with the espresso cart. It features the Lelit Bianca Espresso machine, the Eureka Silenzio grinder. It's got some cool wraps on it with our sponsors. It's got Lelit, Verve, Eureka, and Vespa, and of course Clive Coffee. And on the other side, got our sponsors, and then the Italian flag with a Vespa superimposed on there. So it's Wi-Fi enabled, so the whole espresso machine turns on 20 minutes after sunrise. And then pushing one of the echo buttons, I could command Alexa to do whatever, but this button will open up the cabinets to show the to get access to the 5 gallons of fresh water, the 3 gallons of gray water, and the little mini fridge with all the goodies, almond milk and whole and skim and pitchers and whipped cream and chocolate and all that good stuff. And of course it's got the pitcher washer, and running water, and the knock box, and let it back up. Right on.